Spellai AI Art Maker app, text to image, video, and AI chat. So this is another app of to create AI generations, user-friendly app that effortlessly turns your words into captivating photos and drawings. With this AI chat feature, you can enjoy engaging conversations and have your AI friends generate stunning images on the spot. So you can just tap get and then just double click to install it. So here you have simple words, magical output, image replies revealed, make photo come alive, choose to create, easy peasy optimizer, find inspiration, and then you can just see the details in here. And then you can just continue in here, choose your interests, then start journey. So you can, but you can also start to use, so for example, if you want, you can just browse all kinds of different creations. You can create your account, create image, create video character, and then again, so let me just create an account so just I can show you, so it should be easy. Daily reward, you can just claim it, and then you can just refresh tomorrow, create an image, start AI chat, and then you can just get a lot of these coins. And then you can just surprise me. There you can also add some reference, canvas, output, advanced, negative prompt, and then you can just see in that, and then AI is drawing. So for example, you can also edit it. You can also get 4 different outputs for the same prompt. So here is, you can just see the details again, and then AI edit, stylize, remove. You can then just, and then you can just post it. Hide your spell. Post successful. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. So all kinds of stuff. So here you can just see the details. Tell friends. You can just share this app just like that. There is no reward. But yeah, here you just have it like that. So that's the app.